Hi, this is Tammy with Terry Homes, and I'm here with Josh with Terry Homes, and he's going to show us how to change out a furnace filter.
Hey, Josh here. So we are in one of Ron Terry's homes. This house was built about a year and a half ago, so this one is overdue for a filter change. So we're just going to kind of go through the basic principle of changing out a filter and kind of step by step how we need to go about that. So on your furnace downstairs in your crawl space, you'll see a trap door. It's got airflow on it. You can see it's got a little handle. Usually McCrory has a sticker on there where it's at. So basically what we're going to do is pull on that handle. This trap door will come off, and your filter will just slide out. As you can see, this filter is fairly dirty. It was due for a change. So a lot of debris and stuff on it. Like I said, this one's running about 6 months over being due for a change out. So I'd already went and got a filter for this. You can pick these filters up at McCrory. Their name's plastered all over it. They can look you up if we built you a home. They can look you up, pull up your filter size, hand it to you. Right here we have airflow, so we know it's got to go that way. If you look at your door, you can see your airflow is going that direction. So we know the door goes on this way. We got airflow pointing this way. We'll slide the new filter in. Trap door will go back on. And that's changing out the filter. So if you have any questions, you can give us a call, but you can refer back to the video if you are in the business of changing out your filter.
Thanks, Josh, for helping us out doing a maintenance video.